And I'm done. Hey peeps, happy Sunday, merry Vlogmas, day 5. Mum is currently at church, so we can't do calendars until she is back, and she doesn't usually get back until the live stream has started, so it's going to be afternoon calendars in time for afternoon tea. I am down in the sewing room, very pleased with what I got done yesterday with regards to like reorganising the stash. I am probably going to tweak it a little bit more before the hangout this morning, because I kind of want to put all of the collections behind me here, which I think I could do. I'm going to have a little play again this morning before the hangout. I do have some new Patreon peeps to say hi to. First up, the very lovely Dee Breutner. I don't know if I've said your surname correctly, I'm sorry, but welcome to the Patreon peeps and thank you for joining. The very lovely Kerry Clark has joined the Patreon peeps, so welcome and thank you. Tonya Van Dyke has joined the Patreon peeps, thank you and welcome Tonya. Alice Searle sent me a very lovely coffee, thank you Alice. Linda Runeckles has joined the Patreon peeps, thank you Linda and welcome. And the very lovely Pamisi has joined the Patreon peeps, so thank you and welcome. If you're interested in Patreon, all the details are listed down below, and it's a way of supporting the channel and allowing me to create more videos like this. It's a monthly subscription, although you don't have to sign up for anything more than the 1 month if you don't want to. And also then I have a coffee account, which is also listed below, which is a one-off purchase of a coffee, which is wonderful as well. So thank you very much to all of those lovely peeps. Right, I'm going to play with some fabric some more, set up for the live stream. It's 10:30, so I've got an hour and a half. I don't know what I might, I was thinking I might start on the shoulder dragons, but I'm thinking that would probably not be the best idea because I want to film a sew along for those, and once I get going I don't like stopping midway. So I think what I'm going to do is start work on the 7131 trousers, then we'll continue with those during the hangout, and then once that's done we shall get on with some shoulder dragons. I think that's a good plan. I've already said hello to them today, so it's just yeah, I had to start the vlog.
You can say hello again.
All right, 1 2 3. Merry Vlogmas. You were gonna do happy, weren't you? I was trying to.
She's cold. She's just come in from outside. Give her time.
I'm trying to accommodate you. You're trying to accommodate me. You didn't even get to be annoying.
Delicious.
There you go. Day 6.
Day 6.
You might get it right by day 23.
Well, maybe.
Yeah. Come on then.
Oh.
Lemon cheesecake. Now this is
No.
it's white chocolate. Heads up the way.
It worked yesterday.
Look, did it?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, thank you. Well, the idea sounds good, but we're not keen on white chocolate, are we?
Well, give it a try.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look. It's multi-layered.
Yeah. Tier 2?
No.
Tier 3?
Tier 1.
Oh! And white chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, are your eyes going to start watering?
They are already. Oh, it's delicious. It's lovely. Fresh.
Excellent.
Gorgeous. Zingy.
Wow.
It keeps going.
And you've got more. What's upset the dog?
I don't know.
You can go find it out. She can't see anything,
What is
so
her problem?
what has upset the
She
dog?
probably heard next doors because it's back from holidays.
Both of them are open now.
No, she's just rolling on the carpet.
Oh, what
I think
excitement.
it's because she's being ignored.
Oh, 6. It's on this page, up 2 in the middle.
Aha. Oh,
It's a skinny one.
it's a skinny one.
Oh.
Ooh. What does it say?
Ooh.
What does the label say?
A sprinkle of spice to warm your festive spirits.
Ooh, okay.
It's a cinnamon bun.
Where is that on here?
Cinnamon bun.
Oh, they're upside down. They're upside down.
Whoa.
Oh, cinnamon roll duo.
So it says on here, it's a cinnamon bun.
They're fibbing to you. Well, they look very exciting, and there's 2 of them.
One each.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not sure I'm a fan of cinnamon, but cheers.
Cheers.
I could smell it before I even tasted it. Oh, okay, yeah. Cleaning around my and cinnamon because they kind of taste like Lebkuchen. I'm going to miss Lebkuchen.
I'm still on my lemon zing. It's amazing how, if you savour them, they're so much nicer.
This could go on for a while. Oh my god. That's good. Oh, really good. Whilst I was waiting for them to get ready, I organised day 6.
And it is.
Oh, thank God I got that right. Can you imagine? Oh, more nudes. That sounds wrong, doesn't it? Oh, I think this is power mesh. So again, there's a little pretty doodad, some lace, and I think this is power mesh, but I will show you closer up when I go back down to the sewing room in a second, because I've got to start the live hangout in 15 minutes.
Woo! And what's power mesh?
The stuff that you have on the inside of your bra.
Oh right, that's sort of strong.
Yes, like the stuff. I think. I mean, I could be completely wrong, but I think that's what this is. But yeah, look how beautifully organised.
Gosh, you're so organised.
Thumbnail. I mean, I was waiting for it. I got a phone call saying, please come and do the calendars. I'm back and can do this before I go walk the dog. So I turned up and they're all doing other things. I was like,
only waiting for you.
So yes, live hangout now. So I'm going to put all this away, take you back down to the sewing room, and we'll get on with some chatting with the peeps. Let the vlogception commence. 14th. I was close, Jennifer. I wasn't close at all. But yes, Jennifer's birthday is on the 14th. There we go. Nimue says Merry Vlogmas. With a Santa. Bethany, Rose, Anessa, Caroline, Jennifer. Debbie says Merry Vlogmas. It's always interesting to see what the delay's like and who types fastest. Box 3D says Merry Vlogmas, and Kim says Happy Vlogmas. Mum and I got it mixed up this morning. Laurel, Adele, Jenny Lee, Christine, Catrice, Natalie, Kathleen, Sarah. Kathleen says Happy Vlogmas, my first time. Oh, thank you for joining us. I don't know if it's my slow internet or if everyone stopped. Mary says Merry Vlogmas. And now we just got silence. I really don't know if it's my internet being a bit pants. Hopefully that was all in frame because I've been leaning here with the camera. Merry Vlogmas everybody, or Happy Vlogmas everybody. I didn't press record, that would help. Ow, where's my fingers? I have just finished the 6.5 hour hangout with the peeps on the channel, obviously, where else would it be? And it's gone really, really well. I didn't start sewing till about 1 hour 48 minutes in, but I have finished my 7131 trousers, so I'm going to tip you down a little bit and try and get far enough back to show you. I've also got on my new jumper that Mum's just finished knitting for me. This is the Ruffle Schmuffle sweater. It's a Ravelry pattern. I can't remember the name of the actual designer, but I will link it in the description down below. Everything's always linked in the description down below. So let me just tilt you down so I can show you my outfit. So these are the 7139 trousers from McCalls. Tilt you down a bit more. There we go. These are the ones I have altered the crotch depth on these, so I've added 3¼ inches to the crotch depth and it's perfect. I have also shortened the back elastic by 2 inches and that's also perfect. I haven't hemmed these yet. I needed to try them on to see how much they need hemming by, and I've got 2.5 inch hem allowance down there, and I think I'm going to use all of it. I'm super over the moon with these. They've got pockets ears. I French seamed everything. Pockets are bound, the edges are bound. Yeah, these are just great. I absolutely love these. I made them in green. Hang on, it's the only trouble when I make lower half things, isn't it? I made them in green, and you saw those in the last lookbook, and they were a wearable muslin for this particular cotton. No, this is the linen chambray mix from Lady McElroy. Perfect, worked out brilliantly. Turns out I do have this particular print on the, sorry, I have the foliage canopy on this base, so I didn't think I had that one, and I do, which is great. So I'm going to be making at least one more pair of these. The fabric you use does need to have like a decent amount of drape. Yeah, just really, really happy with these. I think they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely going to wear these a lot. Very, very pleased. Very pleased. So let me show you my advent calendar close up. Everything's topsy-turvy today because of everything that's been going on. Let me show you the advent calendar. Advent calendar. So it's tied with a little ribbon, which is great because again, you can make little ribbons to go onto your underwear with these. Again, I'm not a huge fan of ribbons on underwear because it creates like unsightly bulk. But, you know, I do appreciate that they've thought about it all. Then there's this little doodad, which is very pretty, and we've got some lace, which is really pretty as well. And then I think this is power mesh, which, or it could be bra tulle. Oh no, it has some stretch in it. I think this is power mesh. I wonder if they're going to do like an inventory of everything that came with it. There's a decent amount here. And it's in a flesh tone, which happens to work really well with my skin colour. That's brilliant. Very much like this. I'm going to put that in with all the rest of the stuff that I've been getting. I'm not going to hem these this evening because I am tired now. 6.5 hours of waffle was a lot, but it was so much fun, so I had a really great time. But I'm going to hang these up so that I can come back down tomorrow morning to hem them. I will put a pin in. I'll just double check what length I want to actually hem them to. Tomorrow I'm going to do shoulder dragons. Fingers crossed I can get both of those actually sewn up tomorrow. I won't be able to get them stuffed because I haven't got the stuffing, and I want to get the proper toy stuffing because these are going to be gifts for little children, so I want to make sure I'm doing everything as perfectly as possible. Usually I would stuff it from like cabbage scraps, but as in fabric scraps from bits and pieces that I've made, but I want to make sure that they're washable, and I want to make sure that they're as child friendly as possible. So probably only going to get them sewn tomorrow, but we'll see. And then I have my beach pajamas, and then I am going to start working on some dresses. Now I know I said that this was going to be the month of trousers, but I'm losing weight. I think I talked about this in the hangout. I definitely talked about it yesterday, but I cut it out, but I decided to put it in for today. I am losing weight and I don't want to fit tailored trousers to myself at this weight. I'd like to get down to 11 stone, but I don't think that's going to happen without some serious exercise as well. So 11.5 stone, which is about £8 away. I don't want to tailor trousers to my current figure and then lose that weight and then be too big, because I would be upset. And I know I can take them in, but I hate alterations. You guys know I hate alterations, so I'd much rather tailor them to my size then. So I'm going to do trousers in January. I have done these ones. The hips on these are 55 inches and the waist on these is 28 inches. You know, there was quite a lot of wiggle room with these. These weren't necessarily going to go wrong because there is just so much volume in them. They're wide legged, but I do want to make tailored trousers, and that's just not going to be something that I'm comfortable doing until I'm a little bit closer to the goal that I want to be at. So I'm going to do dresses, because whilst the dresses will still probably need to be taken in at the waist, that's the only place they're going to need to be taken in, hopefully. So that's slightly easier, at least it is in my head, than having to completely alter trousers to fit me better. So I'm going to be doing the McCalls dress for a sew along. I've also got to do the 7537 with a tiered and gathered skirt because I need to do a tutorial for you guys for that one. The last one that I did I fluffed up. I want to do it perfectly, so I need to do that as well. And then I've got those other Vogue dresses that I mentioned in my December plans that I would like to get to as well. And I also have a giant pile of fabric in the Pirate Capsule collection that I'd like to get through because they're all kind of dark autumnal colours, so I'd like to do that. I also do need to do the 7974 my size and the size that the pattern envelope says I should do comparison video. I've got a lot of dresses that I want to get sewn, and I like wearing dresses. I do like wearing trousers, and I am looking forward to having some trousers in my wardrobe to, you know, change things up a little bit, but I just don't want to tailor them to my current size because I am losing weight. So yeah, that's the reason, that's the theory. That's the reason or method behind my madness, so I hope you guys understand. But there still will be lots of pretty sewing. Got lots of sew alongs coming for you guys. So yeah, I've planned it all out. I've thought it through, given it a little bit more thought this time. I think that's a good plan. So that's it for me for today. I am itching already from this jumper. It's a merino alpaca mix, I think, and it is soft, it is nice, but it's still itchy. Like real wool next to my skin just makes me itch. Might need to well, I am definitely going to wear t-shirts under this one, like little tiny roll neck t-shirts I think, and then kind of maybe just go back to acrylic wool, or try and find something else that I can wear the Debbie Bliss silk wool next to my skin, but that doesn't have the same recovery that this does. Let me know in the comments down below if any of you guys have sensitive skin. What kind of yarns do you use for your knitted projects? Inquiring minds want to know. That's my new favourite saying, if you haven't noticed. Anyway, enough waffle, 9.5 minutes of waffle. I hope you've enjoyed my Sunday. I have had a lot of fun. It's been really nice hanging out with the peeps. Yeah, I shall see you next Sunday for a hangout, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 7 of Vlogmas. So I shall see you then. Bye!